In this video, I'm going to show you how to group text in Canva mobile. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up my Canva app on my phone. And now from here, you can see I've got 3 text boxes here. So 1, 2, 3. And now to group these text boxes together, what you want to do is highlight one like so. And now once you select that text box, down below here you got edit font, text styles, etc. Swipe left until you see more, so all the way to the right. And now go ahead and click onto more. And then you want to click onto select multiple here. So now select all the text boxes you'd like to group together. So I've got 1, 2, 3. And now if we go back down below here, you can see select multiple, 3 has been chosen. Swipe left again. And then you want to group these like so. And now these are grouped. And now from here, you can move your group text to any position inside your design.